Tijuana, Mexico is one of the most dynamic and misunderstood cities in North America, a place where international trade, manufacturing, culture, migration, innovation, and border life all intersect every single day. It is a city defined by movement, opportunity, and constant transformation. Located in the state of Baja, California on Mexico's northwestern coast, Tijuana sits directly across the border from San Diego, California, USA. Together, these neighboring cities form one of the busiest cross-border regions in the world, with millions of people, vehicles, and billions of dollars in trade moving between them every year. With a metropolitan population of more than 2 million people, Tijuana is one of Mexico's fastest-growing cities and an increasingly important economic center. Its location at the gateway between Mexico and the United States gives it a unique role that few cities anywhere in the world can match. Tijuana's story is closely tied to the international border. Throughout the 20th century, the city grew rapidly as tourism, trade, and migration transformed what was once a small frontier settlement into a major metropolitan area. Today, the border remains central to everyday life. Thousands of people cross between Mexico and the United States daily for work, education, business, and family connections. This constant flow has created a city unlike any other in Latin America. One of Tijuana's most famous landmarks is the border itself. The international boundary separating Mexico and the United States has become both a practical crossing point and a symbol of economic interdependence, cultural exchange, and political debate. Another iconic attraction is Avenida Revolución. Avenida Revolución has long been the heart of Tijuana's tourism industry. Filled with restaurants, shops, galleries, nightlife venues, and cultural attractions, it remains one of the city's most recognizable destinations. Tijuana is also known for its beautiful coastal areas. Just outside the city center lies Playas de Tijuana. Playas de Tijuana offers ocean views, beaches, boardwalks, and some of the most famous views of the border meeting the Pacific Ocean. Economically, Tijuana is one of Mexico's strongest manufacturing centers. The city plays a critical role in North American supply chains through its extensive network of maquiladoras, factories that manufacture products for export, especially to the United States. These facilities produce everything from medical devices and electronics to aerospace components and automotive parts. Major global companies operate in the region because of its strategic location and skilled workforce. The medical device industry is particularly important. Tijuana has become one of the world's leading manufacturing hubs for medical equipment, producing products used in hospitals and clinics around the globe. Technology and innovation are also becoming increasingly important. Startups, software companies, and technology firms are expanding in the region as Tijuana benefits from its proximity to Southern California's innovation ecosystem. The city's economy is deeply integrated with the United States. Many residents work with American companies while countless businesses rely on cross-border commerce for growth and success. One of the most remarkable aspects of Tijuana is its cultural identity. The city has developed a unique blend of Mexican traditions and international influences. This combination has created an atmosphere that feels distinctly modern, creative, and constantly evolving. Tijuana has become a center for contemporary art, music, design, and culinary innovation. Creative communities have transformed parts of the city into vibrant cultural districts, attracting visitors from around the world. Food is one of the city's greatest success stories. Tijuana is widely recognized as one of Mexico's most exciting culinary destinations. The city helped popularize the famous Caesar salad, which was invented here decades ago. Today, local chefs combine traditional Mexican ingredients with international techniques to create innovative dining experiences. Street tacos remain a central part of local culture. Many food enthusiasts consider Tijuana one of the best taco cities in the world, offering everything from classic carne asada to seafood specialties inspired by Baja, California's coastal location. Craft beer has also become a major industry. Tijuana's breweries have earned international recognition and helped establish Baja, California as one of the leading craft beer regions in Latin America. Real estate in Tijuana has experienced significant growth as demand increases from both local residents and international buyers. In premium neighborhoods such as Zona Rio, Chapultepec, and coastal districts near Playas de Tijuana, apartment prices typically range from $2,000 to $5,000 per square meter, with luxury developments exceeding these figures. Middle-income districts often range between $1,000 and $2,500 per square meter, making much of the city more affordable than neighboring Southern California. Rental prices vary by location. A modern one-bedroom apartment in desirable central neighborhoods typically costs between $700 and $1,500 per month, while apartments in outer districts often range from $400 to $900 per month. Transportation continues to evolve as the metropolitan area expands. Roads, highways, and public transportation systems connect industrial zones, residential neighborhoods, and border crossings. Traffic congestion can be significant, particularly near border checkpoints where daily commuter flows create heavy demand on infrastructure. Climate is one of Tijuana's major advantages. Influenced by the Pacific Ocean, the city enjoys mild temperatures throughout the year. Summers are warm but generally comfortable, while winters are mild compared to much of North America. This Mediterranean-style climate contributes to the region's popularity among residents and visitors alike. Education is another important strength. Universities and technical institutions help support industries ranging from manufacturing to engineering and technology. Sports play an important role in community life. Soccer remains the most popular sport, while baseball and basketball also enjoy strong followings. The city is home to Club Tijuana, whose matches attract passionate fans and contribute significantly to local identity. Safety perceptions often dominate discussions about Tijuana, but the reality is more complex. Like many large metropolitan areas, conditions vary significantly by neighborhood. Business districts, tourist areas, and residential communities can differ greatly in terms of security and quality of life. What makes Tijuana truly unique is its resilience and adaptability. Few cities have experienced such rapid growth, constant change, and international influence while maintaining a strong local identity. Unlike traditional tourist destinations, Tijuana's appeal comes from its authenticity. It is a working city, a manufacturing city, a cultural city, and a border city, all at once. For professionals, Tijuana offers opportunities in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, technology, and international business. For entrepreneurs, it offers access to both Mexican and American markets. For investors, it offers a growing real estate sector and expanding industries. For visitors, it offers food, culture, beaches, and a fascinating cross-border experience. In many ways, Tijuana represents the future of North American integration, a place where economies, cultures, and communities connect every day. And once people experience its entrepreneurial energy, coastal scenery, creative spirit, and global importance, Tijuana becomes far more than a border city. It becomes one of the most influential urban centers in modern Mexico and one of the most fascinating cities in North America.